In this video, I'll show you how to stop emails going to junk spam in Outlook. If important emails keep landing in your junk or spam folder, the good news is that Outlook gives you a few ways to fix it. Microsoft says messages from addresses or domains on your safe senders list should not be moved to the junk email folder. So that is usually the fastest and most effective solution. The exact steps look a little different depending on whether you use New Outlook, Outlook on the web, Outlook.com, or Classic Outlook, but the idea is the same. First, open Outlook and find one of the emails that should not be treated as junk. In New Outlook, Outlook on the web, and Outlook.com, go to Settings, then Mail, then Junk Email. Under Safe Senders and Domains, choose Add Safe Sender, then enter the sender's full email address, or just the domain, like a company website domain, and save your changes. Microsoft's support pages say, this keeps messages from those senders or domains from being moved into junk. If you use Classic Outlook on Windows, the steps are a little different. Go to the Home tab, Open Block or Junk, then choose Junk Email Options. From there, open the Safe Senders tab and add the sender you trust. Microsoft also says the Safe Senders list in Classic Outlook treats those addresses and domains as not junk, regardless of message content. Another helpful thing to check is whether the sender was accidentally blocked. In Outlook on the web and related versions, Microsoft says you can go back to Settings, then Mail, then Junk Email, look under Blocked Senders and Domains, and remove any address or domain that should not be there. If someone is on the blocked list, their messages can keep going straight to junk until you remove them. You should also review your rules. Sometimes the problem is not the junk filter at all, but a rule that moves messages into a junk-like folder or causes another rule to run first. Microsoft explains that Outlook rules can be edited under Mail greater than rules, and some rules may use stop processing more rules, which affects what happens to incoming mail after that rule runs. In Classic Outlook, Microsoft also notes that you can choose options like automatically trusting people you email, and there is a Safe Recipients list for mailing lists or distribution lists. That can help if newsletters, team lists, or group emails are being treated like spam. So the easiest fix is this. Open your junk settings, add the sender or domain to safe senders, remove them from blocked senders if needed, and then check your rules if the problem continues. That is the best way to stop wanted emails from going to junk spam in Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.